everyone, it's Ann. I'm here to do day 5 of my gratitude playing cards. And I've blocked this off. I've got my little jelly print, my jelly plate out. And I'm going to create a background first. And then I will go on to the next step and you'll find out what I am grateful for, what my gratitude is for today. And I hope that you will join in on the fun, perhaps create something. If you do something on your YouTube channel, please, tag me or whatever would be great so that I can see it, or head on over to my Facebook group and post your video up in there. That would be awesome so that I can see what you guys are up to. Anyways, without further ado, I'm going to get started and I hope that you enjoy my process. So there you have that piece. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off by adding another piece of paper on here, and then I'll go to the next step. All right, so I'm going to create another color, but you'll see why I'm doing this. I'm going to try to do on one side. I couldn't find my smaller jelly plate. I have one that's about, the size of a card, but I couldn't find it. So I created this template kind of like to create marks with music, and you'll see what I mean by that in a minute. So hopefully this will work for what I want to use it for, I'm hoping. I'm hoping it picks it up. And I forgot to do reverse, so these notes are going to be reversed. That's okay. Live and learn, right? Yeah, it didn't quite work. I was hoping it would work, but it didn't quite work. So that's okay. It's called experimenting, and sometimes those things do not happen. So plan B. All right, plan B. So I tore up a little piece of music score, music text, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere it down using some Decoupage, their antique medium. So what I'm grateful for, have gratitude for is music. I love music. I love all kinds of music. I was brought up with all sorts of music, Latin music, jazz, rock, soul, you name it. The only one that I don't particularly care for is hip hop or rap. Do not care for that genre of music, but I do like, all kinds. So I'm very grateful for that, and I often tell my children that if I ever end up in an old age home or, a nursing home or an assisted living place and I've lost my memory, please bring my music with me. Play music for me every day. That will keep me calm and keep me happy. So yeah, that's one thing I have to have in my life is music, and I am very grateful for my music. So I'm going to finish up this card, and I hope that this will inspire you to go out and make your own gratitude playing cards. So again, I've got these two charms to represent music as well. I've got an old cassette tape charm and what they call a clef. So that's what I'm going to put on here. So I have a little die cut heart that I'm going to just go ahead and adhere here, but first I'm going to take some tea dye distress ink and go around the edges of this one. So I'm going to put on the back, I'm grateful for music. All right. And I think I'm just going to use a Sharpie for that today. So there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed my take on my grateful cards, playing cards, and if you want to show me what you've been doing, head on over to my Facebook group and post pics of what you are grateful for. Yeah, what are you grateful for? I would love to know. So go on over and head on over and post your cards. Now remember, you don't have to have playing cards. If you don't have playing cards, you can actually use flashcards, Rolodex cards. You could use flashcards. You could also use an art journal, a journal, and create that way, or a composition book. Whatever you have laying around, you could use for your grateful journal or grateful playing cards. So thanks again for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and I shall see you next time. Bye. Have a wonderful day.